Hi, I'm Dolly Kelly, and this is Focused on You through Security. Have you ever received an email that was too good to be true or asked you to respond urgently? Emails like this could be phishing emails. Phishing refers to a type of fraud that attempts to lure individuals into clicking on links and responding to an email that looks legitimate. When this happens, personal or account information may be compromised. It's my goal today to educate you on how to recognize these threats. Clicking a link in an email that isn't what it appears to be could cost you or your business time or money. Today, I'd like to share with you a few red flags to be wary of. Is the email address legitimate? It's important to notice that if the sender seems legitimate, but the email address doesn't match, that's a red flag. Does the subject sound too good to be true? Or does it suggest urgency? Fraudulent emails typically imply urgency, attempting to get you to act quickly before you have the time to carefully read and examine the message. How is the grammar? Phishing emails often have obvious grammar or spelling errors. These can be within the email or in the subject line. Please be sure to be carefully inspecting the entire email. Is your name used or is it generic? Many times fraudsters don't address you by name, but have more generic information that they use. Are you asked to verify or provide personal information? Or does the email tell you to click on a link and not call? If you hover over the link in a fraudulent email, don't click it. It will usually show you that it's pointing to a different site from what has been stated in the message. Their goal as fraudster is to get you to click through a web page where you'll be asked to provide personal information or open an attachment that may be malicious. If you receive an email like this, verify it on the company's website by entering its correct URL directly in your browser or using the company's official app. Please make sure you don't click on anything within the email to access this information. The best way to avoid email fraud is to remain vigilant. Never click on a link in an email unless you are certain who sent you the email and where the link is taking you. Remember, C&F Bank will never use email to ask you for your personal information, such as your account number, PIN number, card number, social security number, or tax ID number. Thank you for watching C&F Bank's Focused on You through Security.
Citizens and Farmers Bank, member FDIC, equal housing lender.